Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Jennifer Charles, and for my OGs, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time seeing this channel, we focus on beauty, fashion and vlogs. If that is what you may be interested in, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, in today's video I'm giving you guys a makeup tutorial. A makeup tutorial and how I put my natural hair into bond. Please guys, if there is any video ideas you want me to do for you guys, please leave it on the comment section down below. Alright guys, I hope you will enjoy this get ready with me video. Now I'm going to go in with my celluline gel. Then I'm going to wrap it up with my silk hair tie. To my face, I am using the Make Be face primer. I'm going to apply this to my end. And I'm going to spread across my face. For foundation, I am using the Make Be foundation. I'm in shade 70. I'm going to apply to my beauty sponge and spread across my face. Like you guys, I'm loving this foundation, honestly. And for eyebrow, I have been loving this Ruby Rose eyebrow powder. Yeah, I've been using it non-stop, you guys. And I'm going to go into this shade. For concealer, I'm using the Ruby Rose Flawless Collection in shade 5. I'm going to use it to clean my brow. I'm using the contour and concealer stick from Makeup B, Make B. For my setting powder, I'm using the banana setting powder. And for the whole of my face, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And for my eyeshadow, you all, I'm really going for like a natural, simple look. I'm going to go into my Sun palette from Louisiana, and I'm going to go into this shade. called Sky. I'm going to press, then spread. Then again, I'm going to go into this shade called Bevidari. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me blush. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Louisiana Flash bronzer. And onto my lip, I'm using the Ruby Rose Soft Lip Liner. And I'm using the Ruby Rose Two Ways Lipstick and Lip Gloss. Applying a little bit of the glossy side. And again, I'm going to go in with my lip liner. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara to my lower lash line. Hi you guys, this is the final look of my makeup tutorial. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.